Hey guys, welcome back to MarineMax Rogers. My name is Max Kavanaugh. Today I have the pleasure of showing you this beautiful Harris 230 Grand Mariner that's right behind me. We're starting off on the exterior and look at this beautiful bow, the modern design, the sleek lines. It looks very sharp, okay? You're gonna have these beautiful stainless steel pop-up cleats on the outside of the boat, so that's gonna make it easy to tie up a line to a dock. The outside exterior color, as you will see, is a sterling gray with this light blue accent. It looks really sharp and it's unique. It'll stand out. Moving back and looking up, you'll see this beautiful bimini top, and it is electric. So it just makes it more easy for the driver. You'll have your gas fill up right here. Your nice Grand Mariner lettering. It looks very modern and sleek. As we move back to the back of the boat here, you'll see this beautiful extended swim platform. This gives you so much space back here. You'll have the safety railings, which allows you to utilize the lounging seat in the back while the boat is moving. So it gives you additional square footage. You'll have this big stainless steel ski tow bar to tow your tubers, your skiers, and your wakeboarders. And you'll have this nice Mercury 200 horsepower 4-stroke engine, giving you plenty of power to tow the skier, the tuber, and the wakeboarder. Just around the other side of this engine here, you'll have this nice big ladder here. Wide steps so it doesn't hurt your feet when you get out of the water. A couple nice grab handles here so you're gonna feel nice and secure. Very well designed, very well thought out. Now let's go take a peek at the interior of this 230 Grand Mariner. Hey guys, welcome to the interior of the Harris 230 Grand Mariner. We're starting off in the back here, and you have this beautiful seat back here that you can sit at while the boat is moving, and that is because you have the safety railings on each side. The safety railings do have fender storage on each side, so that's just more convenience for the boater. In the back here, you have 3 stainless steel cups. If you're looking back towards me, it'll be on your right side. You have your transom stereo remote, so you can control your audio from your backward and forward, switching songs, that sort of thing. Walking into the cockpit, lots of space. You do not feel cramped. Looking at the cockpit seating, great configuration, your co-captain's chair, and lots of space. You're not gonna feel like you're on top of each other. Now this backrest does convert all the way into this big lounging sun pad. Apparently we are putting now beds in boats, which is pretty cool. But no, in all seriousness, this is a great space, great place to utilize for getting sun, for relaxing, having your kids lay out, having family members lay out. It's such a really cool space. And this backrest does move into different positions as well. You're gonna have storage underneath all of these seats with hinges. You don't have to pick up a seat and move it. You don't have to do that, which is really nice. Okay, you have your co-captain's chair here. You see the beautiful stitching, all the stitch work, the Harris embroidered on the actual seat. You have a wireless charging pad here off to your left of the co-captain's chair. 2 cup holders, USB charging port too. And moving to the helm, you have this nice raised helms for the driver to be able to see over the windshield. Great visibility for the driver with this raised helm. You have armrests that move up and fold back down. Again, all this nice stitch work. Throttle is off to your right, digital throttle, super easy and so smooth on the water. You have your nice steering wheel here with this nice rubberized grip. You have your JL Audio head unit. That is to control your speaker system in this boat. Bluetooth, USB compatible. You have 2 SIM-RADs up here on the dash, and those SIM-RADs will display chart information, engine information. It's a super, super cool setup. Also, you can adjust your lighting and whatnot. Really cool setup, really cool helm. It's super user-friendly, very well designed. Okay, moving up towards your bow, you're gonna have your subwoofer right here to give you that extra audio and sound in this boat. You do have a changing station. As I lift this up, your changing station will be right here. Up in the bow, lots of space. You do have this movable seat here, so this doesn't have to stay here, but it's here to give you this big U-shaped seating up in the bow. You have the pillow top furniture, extremely comfortable, very plush. Cup holders for convenience, a little tray on this side, a tray on the other side to store your keys, maybe chargers or phones too while you jump off into the water. You have in-floor storage with sea deck on top of that in-floor storage. Added comfort, really well designed, really well thought out. Armrests do pop down on each seat in the bow. Cup holders too that are integrated. So really cool, really user-friendly. Fold back up. And guys, that is the Harris 230 Grand Mariner. It's here at the MarineMax Rogers location. If you have any questions, give us a call or come stop in. We'd be glad to show you around. Thank you and have a great day.